डियर स्टूडेंट, हम लोग ने थ्योरी पोर्शन में पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर के एक्सप्रेशन ऑब्टेन किया था. द कैपेसिटी ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर इज गिवन बाय ए के एप्सिलॉन नॉट बाय डी, वेयर ए is the cross sectional area of capacitor plate, K is the dielectric constant and D is the distance between both plates. From this formula, it is clear that capacity of capacitor is directly proportional to A. Means when cross-sectional area increases, capacity increases, and when we put the dielectric media between two plates, its capacity increases. But when the distance between both plates decreases, capacity increases. Experimentally, we observe that here it is the setup of parallel plate capacitor. There are two plates having certain surface area and separated by 5 centimeter apart. In this situation, we observe that the capacity between the plate is 21.7 when there is no dielectric media between them. From this formula, if we decrease the distance, capacity should be increased. Then, dear student, when we decrease the distance, it is clearly seen here the capacity increases. From 20 it becomes 25, 42. As we decrease the distance, its capacity increases. That means it is experimentally verified that when we decrease D, capacity increases. Now, when we put the dielectric media between them, its capacity should be increases. In this situation, the capacity is 38 point something. We have two dielectric media. It is a plastic sheet. When we insert this plastic sheet, that means that dielectric medium between the plate, then what we observe? Its capacity increases. In absence of dielectric media, its value is 38 point something. But when we put dielectric media, its value becomes up to 42. Okay? Means when we put the dielectric media, its capacity increases. Okay. Now we put another dielectric media. It is a glass sheet. When we put glass sheet between the plate, the capacity should be increased, and we observe that its capacity increases to larger value 45. Means the dielectric constant of glass. From this observation, from this practical, it is clear that we have two type of dielectric media. One is plastic and other one is glass. But in case of plastic sheet, we observe that the capacity increase up to 38 to 41. But in case of glass sheet, its value becomes up to 45. That means dielectric constant of glass is greater than that of plastic. Now we observe about what is the effect of cross-sectional area. In this capacitor, the cross-sectional area is smaller compared to this plate. Again we put here, for larger cross-sectional area, the capacity should be increases. For in this situation, we observe that capacity is 30.7 or 8. When we put for same distance. Its distance is here. Its distance is about 2.4. Here we adjust the distance. Here we adjust the distance between both about 2. About 2. In this situation, its value becomes 49. That means distance is same. There is no dielectric media, but when cross-sectional area increases, its capacity increases. That means capacity is directly proportional to cross-sectional area. Many other experiment we can obtain here. Another इन सीरीज एंड पैरेलल ग्रुपिंग। प्यारे बच्चों, ये एक कैपेसिटर है और एक दूसरा कैपेसिटर सेम कैपेसिटी या इस कैपेसिटी की हमको इसको सीरीज में कनेक्ट करना है। इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन कट कर दो।